So I got this door jamb switch for my 69 Corvette. The one on the bottom is the switch, and the top is some wire terminal kit they sell. Here's the switch. I already unscrewed it and pulled it out a little and played with it before I ordered the switch. These 3 wires push into the white plastic and then they lock in there. I pulled one out, but I think I broke the lock. So in order to have more room to play with it, I might take out that kick panel there, and which means I might have to take out this sill plate to gain access to it. Let's see what happens. Well, once I took the internal panel off there, the kick panel, and took out the speaker, which I have to take out anyway for another repair, all of a sudden I got about 6 inches of wire came out, which is good. I can get my hand on there and play with it. I'll probably cut these terminals off, strip a little wire back. Here are the new terminals. Flip them over. See how they're kind of got a spring load on the end. So they go into these 3 holes and they snap, and then they stick out a little bit through there, so that when this spring loaded part closes on it and makes contact, and the light comes on and the key buzzer comes on. In fact, when I was playing around here, I could get the dome light to come on. There, the dome light just came on. And when these were touching, where are we here? There we are. As it came through and touched ground, the key buzzer came on. So let's see what I can do there. So I noticed that the when you squeeze the one down on the end, that's to go around the insulation, acts like a strain relief, and then the tabs in the middle go around the bare wire, and you can see that here. I've got one done. It took me 2 tries. I messed up the first one, but I got the ones on the end around the insulation just kind of barely, and then I crushed the middle one around the wire, and I do see some more 2 other tabs down towards the bottom there, right there. I'm going to squeeze those down too, make a good connection. Okay, I got that one wire in there, and I'll pull it out. You may be able to see I left a little bit of the spring-loaded tab showing. That's what I think it's supposed to be. It's got to make a contact, so I'll just leave a little bit showing, and if there's too much showing, I might be able to push it back in a little bit more the other way. Okay, I got all 3 of them on there, and I looked at the old one to see which way the crushed wires are facing, and the crushed wires are facing out. So that's how I did that. Okay, it just goes back in with a 7/16 deep socket, and it's in there. That's my key buzzer. I'll take the key out. And that worked before, but the dome light didn't. Now the dome light is working. And so is the one in the back, right? Yeah, the one in the back, sorry I shook there. The one in the back is working, the one on the right side is working. The 3rd wire, I'm not sure what that's for. That might be for the alarm. I played around with the alarm one time and it wasn't working. This one over here is for the door ajar light on the dash. That one works fine. So that's it. That's how you replace the left door jamb switch on the Corvette. The right one is different and only has 2 blade terminals that slide on and off much easier.